My name is Cristina Isai Lopez Camargo. I'm 36 years old. I'm very intelligent and loving. I like to listen to music. It's very funny. I don't like to watch TV because I believe it's boring. I live in Valledupar. My favorite book is The Colonel Hasten Who Writes to Him. It's routin by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. My favorite celebration is the Corpus Christi Day. In this celebration, a lot of people go to the church. We pray and sing to our God. After the Eucharist, we walk around the neighborhood. The priest blesses everyone. In each court we find an altar dedicated to the Christ's body. In each one we sing and pray. We share bread and grapes. I wear white clothes and high-heel shoes. Finally, the priest gives us the communion. I always wake up at 5 o'clock a.m. I take a shower and I brush my teeth. Sometimes I prepare the breakfast. I rarely prepare sandwich, and I always go to work at 7 o'clock. I have frequently to wash the church. I have frequently to sweep the church. After, I often get my home at 11 o'clock. Frequently, I study 4 or 5 hours every day. I go to bed at 9:30. I'm reading the Holy Bible. I'm listening to English songs. Always, I'm listening to Catholic music. I'm watching Chepe Fortuna and I'm watching Diomedes Diaz. I'm watching English video, Aerosmith, Donna Summer, and others. I'm reading 1 hour with Maria. I'm watching the Eucharist with the priest Eider Linero. I currently, at 7 o'clock a.m., I'm eating my breakfast. I often study in my house at 7 o'clock p.m. When we go at the coast, we must wear shorts. When we go to Bogota, we must wear jacket, leather pants, scarf, and boots. When we go to Bucaramanga, sometimes we must wear jacket and leather pants, and sometimes we must wear t-shirt. Thank you very much.